This video review is about a multifunctional device, CarDroid. The main purpose of the CarDroid is to make your car smart. Here is the CarDroid. It runs Android operating system 4.4. It has a dual-core 1.2 GHz processor, 512 MB of RAM, and 4 GB of internal storage. It supports all modern mobile networks, Bluetooth 4.0 low energy, and Wi-Fi. It has a highly sensitive built-in GPS antenna. On this side of the device, we can see an OBD2 connector. It lets you connect the device to a car. I will show you how to do it in a bit. Here we can see a micro SD card slot that lets you expand the internal storage with micro SD card up to 32 GB if 4 GB of internal storage is not enough. You can insert it easily. On the opposite side, there is a micro SIM card slot. A SIM card is necessary if you want to connect your CarDroid to the internet and mobile networks. I have short nails, that's why I'm going to use a toothpick to insert it. The CarDroid can be used without a micro SIM card, but in this case some functions will be unavailable. On this side we can see a 3.5mm audio jack, a microphone, a speaker, a micro USB connector that lets you to connect the device to a computer, a power button, an LED indicator, and a connector for an external GPS antenna. An external GPS antenna is optional. It amplifies a weak GPS signal reception. Here is the antenna. Just plug it into the CarDroid. Let me show you how to connect the device to the car. Use the OBD2 connector. Let's find the OBD2 port in this car. Its location may be different depending on a vehicle model. In this car, it is located below the steering wheel. If the OBD port is located in an inconvenient place in your car, use an extension cable. Here is the cable. This connector plugs into your car's OBD port. The other side of it connects to a CarDroid. I will show you how to do it. Start your car. As you can see, the LED indicator is glowing. It means that the device is connecting. You will know it's connected when you hear a sound signal. We need to install the CarDroid application on our smartphone to manage the device remotely. You can download it from Google Play or App Store. Let's start the car and launch the app. We can see that there are two ways of using the app. One is when we connect directly without using a SIM card. The other is when we use a SIM card and connect via UonMap Cloud. Let's check Connect Directly. The guide shows us to plug the device into the OBD2 port. Let's do it. we have to wait for a sound signal. When we hear this sound, we shall click Done. The app offers us to connect to CarDroid Wi-Fi hotspot. Now let's go to Settings and turn on Wi-Fi to find the CarDroid hotspot. In my case, I already connected to this hotspot before, so I don't need to enter the password. The password is the IMEI of the CarDroid. You can find it on the box. Now go back to the app. The guide shows us to press the power button 3 times. Now the CarDroid is linked to the app. Here is our device. If we click on it, we are forwarded to our account. The other way of using the CarDroid is with a SIM card. To check it, let's log out of the account. Click Connect via account. If you already have an account, enter your email here and password here. If you don't have an account, click Create an account and follow the steps. Let's have a closer look at the account. By default, we can see the map with the location of our device. Here is the menu. In this item, we can check vehicle error codes. This car has no errors, so the list is empty. Then there are the device settings, where we can change Wi-Fi hotspot and mobile data settings. The next item is our available devices. We have only one device, but we can monitor several CarDroids at a time. This is a very convenient feature if you are engaged into cargo or passenger transportation or want to monitor your fleet. In the events, we can see the notifications and alerts sent by the CarDroid. Sensors. Show the sensors of our vehicle. Let's choose some sensors. For example, engine load, RPM and temperature. Let's test it. Now we see how vehicle data are changing. So, the CarDroid is an innovative device which allows you not only to track your car, but also to monitor its condition. It adds security to the vehicle and safety to the driver. You have watched a short video review about the newest telematics device, CarDroid, that has a rich functionality. Thanks for watching.